Pi coin at $10? In just 7 days? This isn't a drill, and no, it's not just hype, something massive is brewing behind the scenes. Whales are waking up, listings are being teased, and if you're holding Pi, this might be the moment we've all been waiting for since mining began. Let's break it all down, fast. Let's be real, for years, Pi holders have been patiently waiting. Mining on phones, staying active in the app, hoping for that one big announcement that flips everything. And now, the signs are everywhere. Social media is buzzing, crypto analysts are hinting, and rumors of centralized exchange listings are louder than ever. So, is Pi coin finally about to explode to $10? And why are people saying 7 days? The crypto market is shaking right now, and it's not just because of Bitcoin's price drop. What if I told you that a massive behind-the-scenes move by Elon Musk's XAI is about to trigger a domino effect across the entire market? Bloomberg just leaked a major story, and trust me, this isn't just another headline. This could change everything. Stay with me. Let's talk about what's really going on. You might have seen it. Bitcoin suddenly dropping, altcoins bleeding, and your portfolio turning red faster than a meme coin rug pull. But here's the thing. This might not be just another market dip. According to a brand new Bloomberg report, Elon Musk's XAI is about to close a staggering $6 billion funding round, with some of the biggest names in venture capital, Andreessen Horowitz, Sequoia Capital, and Fidelity, jumping in. The deal? It values XAI at $24 billion. That's not just big, it's seismic. But here's the part nobody's talking about. You're probably asking, how does an AI company affect the crypto market? Well, follow the money. Big investors don't print cash, they rotate it. And right now, smart money might be pulling profits from high-risk crypto assets to pile into what they see as a safer, more promising opportunity. Think about it. AI is hot, especially with Musk behind it. The market is responding to this shift. What we're seeing could be the early signs of a liquidity migration, funds moving away from crypto and into the next big tech boom. Musk's startup, XAI, isn't just another AI company. It's building Grok, a chatbot designed to rival OpenAI's ChatGPT, and it's already integrated into X, formerly Twitter. The goal? To create an all-in-one app powered by real-time, live social data and eventually crypto payment integration. So while some investors are panicking, others are quietly repositioning. They see XAI not just as an AI play, but as a bridge between AI, crypto, and real-world utility. Here's why you should care. This isn't just about short-term dips or whale moves. This is about the future of tech investing. If Elon succeeds in blending social media, AI, and crypto payments into one ecosystem, we could see a new wave of mass adoption. It's also a signal to look at your own portfolio. Are you chasing hype? Or positioning for the next wave of real innovation? Here's the part most people miss. These explosive moments in crypto? They come fast, and they don't wait. By the time the mainstream media catches up, the real gains are already gone. The big players are already cashing out while the average person is just hearing the news. If you're already holding Pi coin, this week could be your early mover advantage. The signs are lining up: listings, community momentum, speculation, and increasing transactional utility. All it takes is one major announcement or listing to trigger the next wave. But also, don't let FOMO control your moves. Yes, $10 Pi in 7 days is being whispered across forums and Telegram groups, but hype without strategy is how people get wrecked. First, we'll dive into what's actually driving the Pi coin buzz right now. Is it just social media noise, or are there legitimate catalysts at play, like exchange listings, growing utility, or developer momentum? Understanding this is crucial if you want to make informed decisions rather than chasing the crowd. Next, we'll take a closer look at the $10 price target that's been circulating. Is that figure grounded in any real analysis, or is it just wishful thinking being pushed around to fuel FOMO? We'll explore both the technical and psychological sides of this prediction and what it would take for Pi to realistically hit that level in such a short time. Then, we'll talk strategy, Specifically, what smart plays you can make whether you're already holding Pi coin or considering jumping in. Should you be accumulating more, taking partial profits, or just sitting tight? We'll cover different approaches for different types of investors and risk levels. Most importantly, we'll go over how to protect your position while still leaving room to benefit from any upside. Because in crypto, making gains is one thing, keeping them is another. Risk management, exit plans, and market awareness are just as important as timing your entry. So stay tuned, because this might just be one of those rare moments where, months from now, you look back and say, I was there before it all took off, and I made the right moves. Realistic expectations. Could Pi coin actually hit $10? The short answer is yes, but only under the right conditions. For Pi to reach that level, we would need a perfect storm of demand, exchange listings, and mainstream attention. If major centralized exchanges like Binance, OKX, or Bybit officially list Pi with full trading support, that alone could spark a massive wave of interest. Combine that with a surge of buying pressure from early adopters and retail investors who've been waiting on the sidelines, and a $10 spike becomes plausible, at least temporarily. But here's the catch. Will Pi stay at $10 once it gets there? That's the more complex question. In reality, the initial listing phase for any new token is often marked by extreme volatility. Some early holders may choose to sell immediately, cashing in on years of waiting, which could cause the price to drop just as quickly as it rose. Others might hold out for even higher valuations, banking on long-term adoption and continued development of the Pi ecosystem. And let's not forget, crypto moves fast and unpredictably. Hype cycles can pump coins overnight and crash them just as quickly. What looks like a moonshot today could correct sharply tomorrow. That's why having realistic expectations and a solid strategy is critical. Emotional decisions based on fear or greed are where most people get burned. But if you've been part of the Pi network since the early days, mining consistently, staying active in the community, and believing in the long-term vision, this moment might finally be the reward for your patience. Whether Pi hits $10 or not, we're entering a new phase where the token is stepping out of theory and into the real market. And that alone is a milestone worth acknowledging. So what do you think? Will Pi coin explode to $10? Are we about to witness one of the biggest token launches in history, or is this just another hype cycle? Let's talk in the comments. And if you're bullish, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next update, because things are heating up fast. This might be the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's ride it together.